Wagwan peeps, you done your boy Jnel and welcome back to our next video. I know see a long time I no see uno, like a long time. Or I not supposed to say I no see uno. Supposed to be the silent. Supposed to be the opposite. Long time uno not see me. So watch now back in town, back with the next video. And this video, right? In this video, right, you guys will get to know me more. You understand? Get to know me more. Females, calm down. I don't mean that more. You know, like, I mean, just like answering questions. Because I know when I say you'll get to know me more, and probably I say. Anyways, so we're going to jump right into the video. So the first question is, when did you start YouTube? Did you feel like giving up? Honestly, we started YouTube back in 2013. You understand? If you all of the people that we watch from them time, they big up on yourself. Is him and our true fans and they're there for like 6 or 7 years. Right? So we started back in 2013. Right? So if me ever feel like giving up, well, me they actually give up in a way because, you know, back them time they, you know, like we not benefit at all. Like we benefit probably like almost every year from YouTube, and that was like probably like $100 or so. You see me? So actually we actually give up and me end up start work at Devon House. One long story, so I'm not get too in depth tonight, you understand? So we're gonna move on to the next question. Alright, next question is, what's your middle name? Okay, so my middle name is Ronaldo. You see me? I wonder if I saw the baller name. Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah. So my middle name is Ronaldo, like R-E-N Ronaldo. You see me? Eh? I can't play ball, so I don't know how my father do me that or my mother. I don't know why them do that, is me, but my middle name is Ronaldo. Next question, what do you do during quarantine? Well, during quarantine, watch TV. Watch TV. Oh, there's something else. Watch TV. Quarantine have me watch TV every single day. Like when I normally watch TV, you understand? When normally is either way up on the road or something. But quarantine have me repeat the same thing over and over. Wake up, brush my teeth, watch TV. Evening come, cook, watch TV. Don't cook and eat everything, watch TV. So basically quarantine have me watch TV. You understand? So I don't know, just comment if I the same thing like I reach you during quarantine. Just I watch TV, like me. Well, I hope I watch TV only but YouTube and watch Jnel videos. You know? Alright, so move on to the next question. Which parish are you from? Alright, so I'm originally from Clarendon. You understand? That's where I grew up. You get me? So, you know, with their Clarendon, I make a transition to Kingston. So now, like presently, you know, I'm from Kingston. But, you know, I used to live in Clarendon back then. Next question. What's your age? My age. No, I'm gonna forget my age, you know, but my age, I'm 26. Hold on. I know I'm not gonna say, whoa, Jnel a lie. No, that not so untrue. But I'm actually 26, you know, I'm a grown man, you know, bush up and, no, I'm not bush up now because I don't know, I have a little shave up and thing, you see me, but I'm currently 26, you know, my birthday was maybe week before last week or something like that, week before last week or 2-3 weeks ago, you see me, but your boy Jnel at 26, you see me, soon 30, but you don't know. What's your type of girl? Well, my type of girl, I don't know if may I be selfish or anything like that, but my type of girl is just like me. If you know what I mean, like personality-wise, I'm have to stay like me, like I'm have to quiet, you see me, them can't too brawling or, you know, too outburst. Like me and I are supposed to be in a public space and I talk about something like anything, or probably I argue. You see me and I get in an argument. She get up and you see me, like, calm down, you see me? Like, that's not my type of thing. My type of thing is, when we argue, we actually whisper because we don't want nobody hear. You know the way there? So, if she say, oh, she hate me, she can be like, I hate you, Is me? I don't like the girl, I don't like you. Sorry for your babes, but you know, that's never my type of girl. That is not a vibe. You understand? So my type of females, them.
So basically, you date yourself.
No, I say them have to stay like me. I don't date myself, but them have to stay like me. I have to quiet, cool. You see me? You know, calm. All of them something there. You know, I try to be selfish. You see me? Yeah. Next question. Which high school did you attend? Alright, so first me go. Damn bike. First me go Mar Valley Primary and Junior High. Is me big up every teacher at Mar Valley Primary. I don't them even remember me because me did so quiet. You see me? And then after Mar Valley Primary, it was Kingston High, which is Kingston Senior. I think it was Kingston Senior back then. You see me? And yeah, big up Bricks, because I don't know, me got senior Bricks, they end up come a senior. You see me? So big up Bricks gang. You see me? And the next question. When is your birthday? My birthday is April 24th, 1994. So most of you guys know my birthday gone just the other day. You see me? Alright, next question. When you get rich, what's the first thing you would buy? Well, when you get rich, sound like, you know, like, I don't know if like an overnight thing. No, it's not gonna be overnight. You understand? If you want to get rich, you have to like work your way up, you see me, into getting rich. You see me? But if I start owning certain type of money, I think I'm gonna invest in a land and them type of thing there. You understand?
I think it's personal, so
yeah.
House, car, land. Why do you go back?
Yeah, them something there. House, car, and land. I mean, like the regular, the typical things. You understand? I'm not gonna like, you know, go a club and dash you some stash and them something like. I don't mean that. You see me? So first thing when I buy a house, car, land, is make sure when people are alright. You don't know. Alright. Next question: is Jnel a real name or is shortening for something else? I'm a real name. You see me? Like a Jnel my name, but I still a shortening. You see me? Alright, so Jnel come from my real name. You understand? So my real name is Junior Nelson. You see me? So the J from the Junior and the Nel from the Nelson. So that's where I got Jnel. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Next question. Eh?
No, it's a brand.
I know it's a brand. You understand? So yeah, it's a vibe. Next question. What's your views on abortion? Don't do it. From I say don't do it, you're supposed to know say my views is don't do it. Like abortion, me not dig the idea. You understand? I understand if you like, you know, in a situation where you probably not get to provide for the child or whatsoever, but deep inside of me, I not think if you like, you know, get rid of it or nothing like that. I mean, just, you know, bring forth the child and, you know, probably like start make some plans from there or make some plans before the child even, you know, born or whatsoever. But abortion, don't do it. I don't believe in that. Who inspired you to do YouTube? Alright, by the time I say what inspired me. Alright, what inspired me is, you know, probably like them time they have other YouTubers who do them thing. You understand? Man like Chabas and Kevin too crazy and them and they. But at the same time, whenever that made me really start. Like what made me really start is my name. You understand? It's because my name Junior and Junior so Liam is just like it's just dead. Like people are talking them in that background and say, yeah man, me used to go blah 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 primary and junior high. I'm gonna be like, eh? What you say? And I'll be like, no man, at school we are talk about. You get me? I say so it kinda common. You understand? Somebody want a name where, you know, females would like. You see me? So I just brain box it and then I come up with Jnel. You see me? But I come up with Jnel and then so everybody already know me as Junior. It now stick the Jnel, now stick, nobody now call me Jnel. So I was like, alright, I need to do something to make the name stick. And that's how I come up with the idea and start, you know, do some local videos and then people get to like it and, you know, from there, YouTube. You understand? So that's what really inspired me. Kind of weird, but, you know, everybody have them story. Yeah?
No, Jnel stick.
Yeah, I know Jnel stick. Like, from a year Jnel, I know say that Jnel there. But if you hear one Jnel in a wrongdoings, another Jnel there. You understand? That is not a vibe. The Jnel here is all about positivity. Some positivity. Yeah, positivity. Yeah, maybe already don't teach it. Next question. Now drop a short film. Alright. Short film. To tell you the truth, people, I hears more of the short film. You understand? And I just know. Probably like from 2016. I didn't want to do a short film. But why I never really start do it is because a lack of equipments. You understand? I understand say, you can use what you have and, be creative and all that. But me personally believe in get the right stuff, you see me, and then shoot at it. You understand? So basically, the reason why when I start the short film yet is because, me I work on getting like better equipments. You understand? But look out for short films soon. Look out for them soon, peeps, in the making. You understand? And we almost reached the milestone for have certain equipments to start. So look out for that soon and very soon. I'm not telling you when, but look out for it. Because when we come hard and done. Females, when think smutty, please don't think smutty when I say that. When I come hard and done, meaning like when we start hard and still I got think smutty. You know what? Next question. But short films are come soon. Next question. Alright. Oh, we never hear about your girl. Alright. Oh, we never hear about Jnel girl. The reason why we don't hear about her is because I'm the type of person where when it comes onto social media, you see me? The reason why I even have social media is to entertain people. You understand? And that's just it, point blank. I mean, I'm not here to, make my relationship in the streets and people know this, people know that. You understand? I'm the type of person, if you notice I'm calm, you understand, I don't really talk. So imagine, I'm not going to really, I don't like certain things in the media. You understand? And
Your
personal thing, yeah. I don't like certain personal things in the media. You understand? So my personal life different from the life where you sip on the YouTube. You understand? Because that's scripted. You get me? My personal life is scripted. I mean, no one is perfect. I don't know what I got and blah, blah, blah. You know where I come from. You understand? But my personal life no belongs in the media. I know people are going to say, oh, look how much YouTube about this and look how much YouTube about that. That are them. You understand? This are me. When I believe in a certain thing, then I just say that. You understand? So that's why I don't hear about her. But she alright, she good, she fine. You understand? I mean, like, fine. Next question. What motivates you? Alright, what really motivates me as an individual is where I come from, you understand, and where I feel like I'm supposed to go. And you guys will watch, you understand, fans. And when I say when I feel like I'm supposed to go, I meaning like, when you have a goal, you understand, you work towards a goal, you understand. So that goal I got keep motivated if we go even further, you understand. So what really motivates me at that, when I come from, I have a goal. So if you don't have a goal, just call it saying you don't have nothing to motivate you. You got just the one spot, probably forever, or until you know to say too late, you understand. But that's what motivates me as an individual.
Question.
Yeah.
Can I get an highlight of where you're coming from?
The ghetto. So when I say where I come from, I mean like I come from like the ghetto where I hardly eat food. You understand? Walk barefoot. As I say, I'm not too put my personal life out there. You understand? So that's why I wouldn't. What may I say? So that's why I wouldn't even. So that's why I wouldn't even know that. You understand? I used to walk barefoot. You see me? Go bed without meal, stuff like that. But I'm not gonna put everything out there. You understand? I know probably think Jnel live a lavish life from him born or blah blah blah, but that's not the story.
So
but at the end of the day,
coming from nothing.
Yeah. So basically, we are coming from nothing. You understand? I try make something out of life. I try break the spell, the poor spell. You understand?
You're
so
in your family, right?
Yeah. You understand? So next question. Oh. How old were you when you lost your V? One of them people always come with some question. How old was I? I was let me think. I was 16 going to 17. I know that kind of late. I know when I say, I'm not a female so late and blah blah blah. Me I did 14 and me I did 13 or blah blah blah. But me the type of person me did like really shy. Me still shy. You understand? So my last man at a you know. I would say a late stage, but to all people think nowadays, they would say you're that late. You understand? Kids, abstinence makes sense. So don't follow Jnel or your friend them. Just wait until the right time. Yeah. Next question. What profession would you do if it weren't for YouTube? If you weren't a YouTuber, yeah. What profession? Let me start over back. What profession would you do if you weren't a YouTuber? Alright. If me never a YouTuber, I would probably be a soldier. Because from young, I tell myself, say, yo, I'm gonna be a soldier. And I was the type of like child, right? I was the type of picnic where I not really smile. You understand? Like, I'm always serious. You get me? Like, if you take a picture and everything, then I always have a straight face. So people always say, yo, that you tell you need to go turn soldier. A soldier, you got turn, blah, blah, blah. So me believe say deep inside me be a soldier if I never do YouTube.
Yeah,
you understand?
Militant.
Yeah, with the militant. Me no laugh, me no smile. When me look at picnic like when they at school, my friend them run up and down me, they stand up in a one corner. You understand? So just call it say me at 25 from me at 10. Like I grew up from me young. You understand? So this is the final question. You see me? Final question. Do you want kids? If so, how many? Of course I want kids. There has to be a Jnel Junior. You understand? There has to be a Jnel Junior. And how many? Well, I always tell myself, say, 4. I don't know why. I don't know if because I grew up and people say, oh, they want 4 people, blah, blah, blah. But I don't want to have 4. Probably 10. No, I joke. Don't kill me. Just 4 is me. If it happens to, if it happens, I add 1 more to it, then no problem. But 4 a day, 4 a day, so a day.
You want
5. You want 20. Do you think? You know what to do to make 20. Just make sure you say all of them come from the one mother. Yeah, so that was the final question, peeps. So remember to hit the like button. I notice that you guys are watching the videos, right? And not clicking the like button. We have 5,000 views with 600 and 700 likes. That is not a vibe. So come on, people, just like up the video. You understand? Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you still not get notifications when video upload, just unsubscribe, subscribe back, and click the notification bell. Or go in your phone settings on YouTube, the YouTube app in your phone. You understand? And set the notifications to all. You see me? So you like, share, and you subscribe. You understand? You click the bell. You understand? And make sure you leave a comment. You see me? To all the questions I'm gonna ask, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you think. You see me? So I guess that's the end of the video, peeps. Thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out. We're gone. Cut it.
Cut.
We're gone.